This is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet two together. This is one of the stitches that I use in my Cleveland Baby Booties. This is a decreased stitch that I use around the toe area. Okay, so let's get started. So if you look at the stitches from the top, I'm going to be working in the next two stitches. So I'm going to start with a traditional half double crochet, which is a yarn over. Insert your hook into the next stitch, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through the stitch. I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over as if I'm starting another half double crochet, and I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the stitch. I now have 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through all 5 loops to complete my half double crochet 2 together. This is the traditional method for doing a half double crochet and the version that I use in the Cleveland Baby Booty pattern. If you want to learn a modified version of this stitch that creates a less bulky stitch, check out the video coming up next.